Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row, your go-to channel for all things game development. I've got some exciting news for you today. If you're looking to level up your game development project, now's the perfect time because Synty is having an incredible sale on their high-quality asset packs. So Synty Studios is known for having some amazing low-poly style 3D asset packs, and they're offering massive discounts on their products for their 10th birthday sale. They've extended their sale by a week, so you have until August 9th New Zealand time to take advantage of these fantastic deals. 10 packs are 70% off, as you can see on the screen here, and they will be 70% off for this time being. I never really see any sales this big from them, so I suggest taking advantage of this now. The two new packs are 10% off currently, and everything else is 50% off. This is basically like a very early Black Friday deal. Synty Studios covers a wide range of games, whether you're looking into fantasy, sci-fi, battle royales, pirates. They have tons of different types of guns, mechs, HUDs, animations, and not just 3D models, but they also started getting more into animations and user interface stuff, which I'm currently doing a series on my YouTube channel. Synty is not only visually stunning, but also very versatile. Whether you're just starting out in game development or working in a full production level game, these assets will elevate your project with their enticing graphics and robust quality. They even have a free asset section for you to check out, and it's a fantastic way to dip your feet in the water just to get a taste of what Synty really has to offer before getting into their higher quality premium pack. I've included my affiliate link in the description and comments below if you want to support my channel, and don't forget to check out my Patreon if you'd like to support me further into my game development journey. If you're starting out with Unreal Engine, I suggest you watch a couple of my tutorials just to kind of see how I utilize the Synty pack and show off what I do. So here's an example project that I'm currently working on using Synty. And yeah, there are a ton of things that you can do with Synty. I'm going to be working on an adventure action RPG side scroller game. That's sci-fi stuff where I'm going to include mechs with the sci-fi HUD, guns, and more of like a FPS and third-person shooter type game, maybe similar to like a low-poly Helldivers. And I'm working on an action ARPG, which is kind of giving like a low poly Breath of the Wild vibe. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code of the Row for more game development tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy game developing. And take advantage of those Synty deals before they're gone. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.